Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the paper flower with our petal in a simple and fast way. In fact, this is our third video. Every video just a little bit improved compared with the old one. So if you watch this video, you don't have to watch the other two old videos. Okay, let's get it started. First, let's check the material. The petal and this pink, some group, that will be okay. When you got the petal from us, you buy the paper flower kits from us, you will got the petal set like this. It's not the different colors because I use of all my paper when I design this petal. Okay, let's get it started. First of all, let's take one petal. I take the largest one. When you receive our petal, you can find there's a line here, so you need to cut the already cut part along with the line. Cut it like this. And then use a ruler to cut the petal. Okay, after you cut the petal, just take some glue. Please don't use glue gun, the hot glue, because it's cold fast. We don't need fast glue. Just use other glues. I use this type. Just don't use hot glue, will be okay. Glue gun. Apply the glue on here. There is a field. You can find the line here. Brush the glue with a paper will be okay, or if you have a brush. So combine these two ends will be okay, along with the line. It's very easy. Just follow the line will be okay. Okay, one petal complete. Actually, it's very easy. And then use this petal also. Put some glue on this paper. And use the brush if you have the brush. I use the paper will be okay to spread the glue. Don't use the fast dry group, will be okay. Okay. And then put it in the middle. So one petal was completed. So let's make the other petal, the rest of the petal. With the same procedure will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, these are every layer of petal I make. Look at them. Okay, look at them. Every layer are cut to one outside. Only the last two petals, the smallest two petals, will cut to one inside. Okay, so the next step, we will use our pink. This pink is very important. Put in the middle. This is the middle place. First layer, the second layer. Okay. Then we will put some group here. And brush spread out the group. Using this paint to make sure every layer of the petal are put in the right place. To make sure the petals are in the middle. So the petals are also in the middle. So the same procedure for the rest of petal, and then I will show you the effect. The paint are very important because it will make sure every petal are in the right place. Every petal are in the middle, so it would not go here or there. So I know a lot of people had the problem with the petal to place in the right place. No matter this type of petal or the every piece of the petal, which angle, which place you should put in, but by using this paint, so you can make sure every petal are in the right place. Okay, I will show you the effect after I put on all layers of the petal. Okay, the flowers completed. Look at this. Every petal are in the right place, right? Okay, and this is polar flowers. I will show you other one or two type of our flowers later. Okay, let's talk about this pink. This pink are necessary. If you don't have it, you can buy from me, or you can not now at the wooden board will be okay also. But this time, or a screw. I will show you the screw. I will show you how to step the petal with the screw. These screws are very important for my next tutorial. Very useful. So I will show you with some layer. I take it off to step the layer with the screw. Remember, the screws are very important for my next tutorial to make a stand and a stand for the paper flower. Put the screw on and apply some glue on it. If you don't want to use the glue, you can use the double face tape. That will be okay also. Apply some glue on it. Spread out the glue with a brush or a paper will be okay. Because the screw is very important, so I will show you that. Okay. So, and the following layer, the rest of the petal will be okay. So look at these three type of the flower I make. This is the two type I make months before. So a little bit out of shape, but anyway, it still works. Let's talk about the flower shape. Look at this. This flower is top. Look at this side. Compare with this flower. Oh, it's hard to show you. 1 second. Look at this side. And look at this. Okay. This one will be taller. And this one look flat, much more flat. And this one is the fattest. how to show you the effect. Okay, look at it. This one is tall. It will be much more stereoscopic than these two flowers. This is the most flat. If you check my old video, I will tell you why I make different type of the flower, because this one will be much more suitable to make the flower tree like make. On my next tutorial video, I will show you how to make the flower with a stern. So if you want to make the flower trees with a stern, this kind of top flower will be much more suitable. And this is flat one, will be much more to decorate the chair, placed on the back of the chair. This one will be much more suitable. You can check my video. I will paste the link below information field below this video, on the information field below the video. And this one will be much more suitable to make the flower wall. In fact, if you want to make the flower, you can mix 3 types of the flower to make the flower wall, so the come out will be much more pretty. If I have time, I will make the flower wall to show you the effect, but I'm not sure yet. The next video I will make the flower, this flower with the tree, and I also will add the stem on this flower to show you the effect, so you will know what I'm trying to express. Okay, this is today's tutorial, and for the coming video, I will show you how to make the flower stand with this material and make a stand, so I can make a flower with stand to stand up. Okay, so I think what you know what I'm trying to make. So see you on next video. Bye.